This 34-meter articulated boom aerial work truck is built on the Wheelbase FTR chassis to 105 horsepower, 4,500 millimeters wheelbase, engineered for high-altitude operations in diverse working environments, tailored specifically for export to Ethiopia. It combines robust performance, operator safety, and long-term durability, making it the ideal solution for municipal maintenance, power line installation, airport facility upkeep, construction, and urban infrastructure projects across East Africa. Equipped with a high-strength GAK-34S telescopic articulated boom, the vehicle delivers a maximum working height of 34 meters and a generous horizontal outreach, ensuring flexible access to hard-to-reach areas. The fully hydraulic control system, combined with multiple safety interlocks, guarantees stable and precise operation, even in challenging terrain. It's a ISUZU FTR chassis with 205 horsepower power and 450 wheelbase, offers excellent maneuverability and load-bearing capacity, perfectly adapted to Ethiopia's road conditions.